Our today's topic is box plot or Whisker plot. Basically, box plot is a widely used graphical tool used to visualize the distribution of data, where we find five number summary. So these numbers are minimum, maximum, median, Q1, that means quartile 1, Q3 quartile 3 or third quartile, and median. So the interquartile range, the IQR, it expresses the box which is the range between Q1 to Q3. Q2 is the middle 50% of the data. Q1 is the lower 25 percentile. And Q3 is the upper 75 percentile. And whatever dots or diamonds we are using, all these are outliers. We can measure the outlier in minimum sense Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. IQR full form is interquartile range. In case of maximum side, we measure Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. So why this box plot? Box plot basically identifies skewness, it detects outlier. Sometimes we use as group comparison purposes. If we have big data, we can use this box plot for comparing different groups, so that we can easily identify outliers and the interquartile range, and it is useful for our decision making purposes. We can find the data speed with the help of box plot, because the whisker showing the variability of data. Outliers may be represented with the help of dots or diamonds, and whisker show the variability. This line representing whisker. Mathematically, we can measure in that way. Suppose we have some numbers 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 23 and 42. Though it is given in the order, there is no need to arrange it. If the number is not given in the order, we can arrange it in ascending order, so that we can easily find the middle one. Right? This is the minimum number 9. As per the 5 number summary, we need minimum number, that is 9. Side by side, we need maximum number, that is 42. And in between, the middle number is 14, which representing the value of median. Now, if the number, middle number or median is 14, then here we have 3 numbers. So it is called lower half. So the lower half, middle of this lower half number is 10. Middle of the lower half, the number is 10, which represent as quartile 1. Same way, the middle of this upper half representing 23. The middle of lower half is 10, which is quartile 1, and the middle of upper half is 23, which is quartile 3. So in that way, we can measure minimum, maximum, median, quartile 1 and quartile 3. So in the same diagram, we can present different box plot as per the data set, which is helpful for comparing group data.